In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Agile CRM. We'll walk through the manual user invite process step by step so you can quickly bring new team members into your Agile CRM account with the right access and permissions. Start by logging into your Agile CRM dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the user icon. This is usually where your profile or account settings live. Click on that user icon, and from the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Admin Settings. This is where you manage account-level configuration, including your team. When the Admin Settings page opens, move your attention to the left-hand sidebar. In that sidebar, find and click on the section called Users. This area shows you everyone who currently has access to your Agile CRM account, their roles, and their status. To add someone new, look for a button that says Add User, often displayed with a plus sign in front of it. Click that button, and a form will pop up or appear on the page for you to fill in the new user's details. Now, enter the user's first name, last name, and email address. It's important that the email address is correct because Agile CRM will send the invitation directly to that inbox. Take a moment to double-check spelling here to avoid any access issues later. Next, you'll choose the role for this new user. Typically, you'll see options like admin or standard. An admin role gives someone higher-level control, including access to more settings and configuration options, so reserve this for people who really need that level of control. A standard role is usually better for most team members who only need to work with contacts, deals, or campaigns. After selecting a role, you'll see permission toggles you can turn on or off, such as the ability to export data or delete records. Think about what this person actually needs to do in your system. For example, if they're just viewing and updating contacts, you might leave export and delete turned off for added security. Once you've filled everything out and reviewed the role and permissions, click the Save button. Agile CRM will automatically send an invitation email to the address you entered, and the user can follow that email to set up their account and log in. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new user to Agile CRM using the manual invite process.